Alright, let's see how far mommy goes.
Okay, this is it. Second round of snow.
Yay.
What can you say? Are you happy?
Yes.
That it's snow this time, not ice?
Yes.
We'll see. We're gonna try to play on the snow. Right now it's just snowing. You see? Oh, no, wait, that's why the snow will come out from this side. So it's gonna go check this out.
I want to go in outside.
Open the curtains.
Snow.
Come on. Let's bundle you up. Put some more jacket on you.
I can't put my car
Go inside.
in the racetrack.
Go down.
Be careful.
High five. Be careful, dog. Hi. Hi, Lola Joanne. Hi, Lola Jean. Can you say hi, Lola Jean?
Hello, Dean.
Let's go, Eugenio. You ready? Let's go. Get up.
Help me.
Let's see how long we're gonna stay out. Are we gonna make a angel? Snow angel? Come on, get
A
up.
snowman, too.
A snowman too. Better hurry up then. Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready to go.
My goodness.
It didn't come here.
Oh my goodness.
It didn't come.
You got it? Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Let's go, behind. Let's go make a snow angel first. Come on, go on the side. On the side. Lay down on here. Here, let's go lay down here. On this side. This side, this side, this side. See here. Aww. Do you know how to make a snow angel? Go. Do it, do it. Is it too cold? Again and again. Be careful. Mommy's turn. Mommy's turn. Eugenia, my turn. Ready? Ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a lot of snow. Oh, I can't do it. It's so cold. It's so cold. You want to go slide? Ooh, wee. You can get up over there and go slide. And we're going to go in again. Be careful. Be careful. Raise it down. We're gonna go slide on the slide. Are you happy there's snow? No ice? So which one is much better? The ice or the snow? The snow? Ooh wee. Cool. You wanna go sleep over there? Did you wanna go sleep over there? We're gonna go sleep over there. Huh, no! Oh, that is so cold. It's trying to throw me some ice. Are we gonna build a snowman?
Yeah.
Look who's speaking over here. It's the froggy.
The froggy is coming snow.
I know, what he's doing. He's trying to build the ice. Oh man. You like it? What are you trying to find there? Is your hands cold? Not yet. Don't stick your hands over there. Do you want to go this? Do you want to do the sled? Mm-hmm. Ay!
Does it?
Not there, not there. There might be snakes in there. Or it's too cold for snakes. I don't know.
Mommy.
Okay. Let it snow, let it snow. Oh. Oh. Let's go. Eugenio, let's go. I don't know, because you drop it.
And you buried it.
I didn't bury it. I tried to find it, but...
I saw it fell and buried.
Oh, well.
I find the red.
After this, do you wanted to get warm up first, and then we're gonna go back and do the slide?
Yes.
You ready?
Can you?
Okay, let's do the bubbles first. Come on, let's go inside the house and let's do the bubbles, and then let's go back again here.
Let's go do the first bubble.
Gonna do some bubbles. We'll see if it will work. We only got small bubbles. That's why I told you to sit down over here. So we're just gonna open really small amount of space here, and then you can blow the bubble. Here, sit down. Are you ready? Dip it, dip it, dip it, dip it. Then let me know when you're done dipping it.
Outside.
There you go. Go. Blow it. Oh my goodness. It's not working. Let's try it again. Oh, it's an epic fail. What?
Let's try to pop it.
It's not working. Okay, let's close the door. Let's the what? Epic fail for our bubbles. So we're gonna try to create our
New bubble.
We're gonna try to create our new bubbles, huh? We'll see how it works. Balito. I'm gonna try
My turn.
slowly, huh?
What?
Slow.
I want to look at it.
Epic failed again. Maybe we need to put some more. I hope our bubble solution works. So close! What are we doing wrong?
You're trying.
Mommy, we're gonna...
Mommy.
Why would you think that would work?
You're blowing it.
We're trying to blow bubbles.
It's an epic failed.
We need to try it.
So we are trying to see if we can make a bubbles. There you go, Eugenio. Okay, we're done with the bubbles now. It's all epic failed. The snowman is failed, Eugenio, and the bubbles is failed again. We're just gonna do sliding. Ito ang OOTD ko sa snow. Parang lukarit lang. Here you go. Try to take mommy's picture, huh? Make sure it's really nice, not like daddy's picture. Daddy's picture. You know where to take picture? Here, you press the camera here, huh? When it's time. Here is the look of our neighborhood before the first winter storm, which is the ice storm. This is after the ice storm. This is the aftermath of the first snowstorm. You can see that our neighborhood is covered of snow, which is approximately 9 to 10 inches deep, and it looks like a winter wonderland. Now me and Eugenio were gonna try to use our sled on our front yard. 갈 사람은 가고 남는 사람 남는 treason 다시 차가운 공기가 우리 몸을 감싸 breathing I'm feeling all this Christmas 눈이 내 위에 앉아 내가 기다리는 Christmas 너도 나를 원할까 Are we business are we Christmas 우린 조금 다를까 마음의 방향이 맞지 않는 건 참 아프니까 I've been loving this year I've been hating this year Okay, another epic fail. We're trying to slide but we're not sliding. I guess because there's too much snow on the ground. If it's snowing like the season, it's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason, it's the winter.
Record cold temperatures, 10 inches of snow, and my wife decides to rake the leaves.
Worst gift ever. Subo ako. Yeah, now already cleaned our driveway. House. They're saying Tuesday and Wednesday there is still 10 inches of snow. Hi. Buhay.
Alright, let's see how far mommy goes. Don't do that.
Be careful.
There she goes. Holy cow! Holy cow! Where's she going? Well, Eugenio, it's time to get a new mommy. I'm just trying to be me. It's a winter. If it's snowing like the season, it's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter.